Congratulations. She is one of the star of our institute and her name is Shivangi Nolakha. तो इनके experience share करते हैं और let's see what she wants to tell about her journey throughout the year. So please give your introduction.
So I am Shivangi and I've been studying in this institution for past 2 years. I started with just maths from Middle Sir and then I took science also in 10th standard, and it has been a great experience studying with them. And I am so thankful I got to this institution for the first time, because I joined tuition for the first time in 9th and I got such a good institution I could rely on the whole year in 10th.
If it is your first time, believe me, it's a master stroke. How much you score subject wise and overall percentage?
So I scored 99 in maths and 98 in SST, and I scored 97 in science. I got 98 in French as well, and I got 97 in English.
Perfect. And the overall percentage is?
I got 97.6%.
See, this is the impact of year-long plan studying. So the next question is obvious. What was your plan throughout the year?
Okay. So honestly, when I started 10th, I did not have a very fixed plan, but then under the guidance of the teachers, I realized that I needed to have a plan which could actually focus on getting above 95%. And then I started studying. One of the best strategies I can suggest is study in the morning. When you wake up at 4 o'clock and then study, it really works well. So some days, alternate days, I studied science and SST whole year, every month, each day, whether it was a Sunday or a festival, I studied some part of science, some part of SST. And maths was a subject which I did in mostly in the night part. French and English, I did not give that much attention to it in the first time, but I started to give it after I got less marks in my pre-boards. So that is one thing.
So this journey is overall an outlook which tells us that a proper strategy is needed every time. Each subject needs a particular slot in the day. Excellent, excellent. I strongly suggest all of you to study in the morning, and in night mathematics is best. So the next question is, obviously you are our institute topper in this particular 10th standard in the session 2019 and 20. So my next question is, what was the institute and office contribution in your this particular journey?
The office and institute contribution has been very helpful. They've been very helpful from the very starting. From Shivani ma'am to Dushyant sir to Mridul sir, everyone, I could post queries to them in the night, and sir would reply just instant, like this is the sum, this is the solution you need to put in everything. Dushyant sir has been very helpful. He suggested me books which I could study for the exam, and definitely, believe me, the questions came from that book, and I was like so happy because the questions really came from that book, because he told so. And one more thing I want to add to the last question is, solve a lot of papers. After you've done with your course, the more papers you solve, the more you get habitual with solving a paper in maybe 1 or 30 minutes or maybe 2 hours, so that you get time to revise it, and then you don't do a lot of mistakes there.
Excellent, and thank you from all the teachers and from Institute. It's a pleasure to have your interview. And what is the best thing throughout this year in the Institute, teacher, whatever you like?
Friendly, first of all, and then the other thing I really like is that they conducted a lot of exams. I could actually know where I was standing. And yes, they've been very friendly, they've been very helpful, and they mentor you, not like a teacher, they mentor you like your parents or like your friend, and they'll guide you in the right direction.
Again, thanks a lot for that. And the next question is, how the modernization or the technological advancement in the field of institute, which we are providing in the form of video, mobile apps, notes, how it helped you in throughout this particular journey of this year?
With the mobile app that the Guru Mantra institution and other classes institutions have developed, we've been helped a lot, because sir put a lot of tests and questions on that thing, and we could solve it, and we could actually get the results so fast that yes, we are doing this wrong and we are getting this concept wrong. Just in case you solve it honestly, not with Google. So.
Perfect. So the next question is, what is your plan for future? What are your plans?
My plan for future is I've took humanities, and contrary to the normal belief that humanities doesn't have a lot of options, I feel it has a lot of options, and I'm going to pursue law. I want to get into NLU Bangalore, and I'm planning to prepare for CLAT from the next year, because due to the corona situation I cannot do that.
Perfect. So it's really a pleasure to talk with you, and it's always was. She is one of the finest student of all the institute, and she is a throughout topper. So from our side, blessings for the future. In fact, from Anurag classes and Guru Mantra classes, we bless you for throughout the year. And it's not like that you are not a student now. You will always be the student throughout the life, and wherever you need our help or any problem is there, you can communicate with us. Our team is always available for you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.